Hello, little kiddos. Let's start the story of the brave fox and the little ducks. Once upon a time in the green forest, there was a calm, beautiful blue lake surrounded by green grass and flowers. A mother duck with 3 fluffy yellow ducklings swims happily with gentle ripples in the water in a peaceful forest near a calm blue lake. Lived a clever and kind-hearted fox named Felix. Unlike other foxes, Felix wasn't interested in hunting. He loved to make friends to play with them and help others. One bright sunny morning, as Felix was walking around, he heard the sound of beautiful lake and ducks swimming and playing in lake. Suddenly, he heard quacking and flapping wings of ducks. He rushed towards the sound and saw a group of ducks in great distress. A big, hungry gray wolf was chasing them.
Quack, quack, help us!
Cried the little ducklings. Without a second thought, Felix jumped in front of the wolf.
Stop right there,
shouted Felix.
These ducks are under my protection.
The gray wolf growled.
You're just a fox. How can you stop me?
Felix smiled smartly and said,
Because I've set traps all around this area. One step forward, and you'll fall right into one of my traps.
The wolf looked around nervously. He didn't know if Felix was bluffing or not. Suddenly, snap! A loud sound came from the bushes. It was just a twig breaking, but it scared the wolf. Thinking it was a trap, the wolf ran away deep into the forest, howling in fear. The ducks flapped their wings happily.
You saved us, Felix! You're our hero!
Said the mother duck. Felix smiled and said,
Always stand up for what's right. Bravery isn't about being big or strong. It's about doing the right thing at the right time.
From that day on, Felix, the brave fox, became a beloved friend and protector of all the lake animals. Moral of the story: true bravery is standing up for others, even when it's scary. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.